Hello everyone. Business Studies, Grade 11th, Chapter 1.2. Classification of business activities. We have studied in last video that business activities are of two types, industry and commerce. Industry means which converts raw material into finished goods. Types of goods: producer, consumer, intermediate goods. Producer goods are like machinery, equipment, plant. Consumer goods, ready to use like bread, butter. Intermediate goods which are further used to be produced, further production, for further production. Types of industry we have studied in last video: primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry. In my last video, I have taught you about the primary industry, which uses natural resources. Primary industries are of two types: genetic industry and extractive industry. Genetic industry means to improve the breed of animals and vegetables, and extractive industries means extract out of earth, something extracted out of earth, जैसे coal mines, oil wells, etc. In today's video I am going to start secondary industry, secondary and tertiary industry. Secondary industries are those industries where new products are manufactured by using the previously produced things. Like producing cotton is primary industry, and manufacturing cloth out of cotton is secondary industry. Getting my point? Production of cotton is a work of primary industry, whereas manufacturing of cloth out of cotton is a secondary industry task. So secondary industries are those industries which uses the products produced by primary industry. There are two types of secondary industries: manufacturing industry and constructive industry. Manufacturing industries means those industries which manufacture something, means which are producing something. The manufacturing industries means those industries wherein raw material and semi-finished materials are used with the help of man and machine to bring out finished goods. For example, cloth from cotton, steel from iron ore, sugar from sugarcane, paper from bamboo, cement from stone, etc. They are manufacturing industries. They are of four types: analytical industry, processing industry, synthetic industry, assembling industry. Number one is analytical industry. Analytical industry is that industry in which many things are produced out of one thing. Analytical means many products are carried out from one thing. For example, petrol, diesel, gasoline, etc. are produced out of crude oil. Crude oil comes out of the earth, and you are manufacturing a lot of things like petroleum, gasoline, diesel, etc. from crude oil. That is analytical industry. Analytical industry is that industry in which out of one product there are many production of many other products. Many products are produced out of one product. That is analytical industry. Second one is processing industry. Processing industry includes those industries wherein useful things are manufactured by making the raw material pass through different productive processes, like manufacturing of sugar from sugarcane. It needs a lot of processes. Sugarcane, juice of sugarcane you will bring out, then jaggery, then finally sugar. So the produce which gone through different processes, that is called processing industry. Third one is synthetic industry. Under this industry, many raw materials are mixed to produce one product. Many things are mixed to produce one product, that is synthetic industry. For example, mixing limestone, gypsum and coal, etc. for manufacturing cement. For manufacturing, many things are mixed to make one thing, that is synthetic industry. And many things are produced out of one thing, that is analytical industry. Now last one is assembling industry. In this category, those industries are included wherein the parts manufactured by different industries are assembled to produce new and useful products. Assembling means assembling different parts produced by different companies like cycle, radio, television, computer, scooter, etc. All electronic items these days are manufactured through assembling different parts of assembling the different parts of the product. That is called assembling industry. Manufacturing industry means producing something. Then analytical means out of many products out of one. Processing means a thing has to pass through different processes. Synthetic means mixing a lot of things to form one. Assembling means assembling the resources to form the product. Then second part of this is secondary industry is constructive industry. Under these industries, constructive works are done by using things produced by other industries. For example, using cement, iron, bricks, wood, etc. for buildings, bridges, road, dam, etc. are constructed. Construction of building, road, dam, bridges, etc. by using the products of other industries, that is called constructive industry. Now third one is tertiary industry. It refers to that industry which produces services, like transport, bank, insurance, advertisement, storage. They are not selling the goods, they are selling their services. There are a lot of hindrances in the business. Hindrances means problems in the business which can be sought out by tertiary industry. For example, hindrance of taking things from one place to another. Hindrance from taking, we are producing in a factory and consumer will go to the market for purchasing them. So the gap, difference between the gap, those things, that gap is filled by transport. The hindrance in taking things from one place to another, the solution to that is transport, and transport is a part of tertiary industry. Now hindrance of finance, if you are having problem in finance, you can go to bank. Bank is also providing service to the society. Hindrance of risk, if there is risk element in there, you're in your business, you can take help from insurance companies. You can insure your risk with the companies. Hindrance of communication, since you are producing, suppose you are producing a new product, how the public will know that you are producing a new product? Definitely with the help of advertisement. Last, a hindrance of storage. Storage means you have to keep this, since there are some products which are produced throughout the year, but the sale of those products are at a particular time. For example, crackers are manufactured throughout the year, but their sale is only at one time, at Diwali time. So you need to store them for the whole year. And that hindrance can be solved with the help of warehousing, storage, warehousing. Warehouse is a place where goods are safely kept, and it's a kind of godown, etc. So tertiary industry is that industry which produces services. They are not selling the goods, they are selling the services, and they provide very lot of services like transport, banking, insurance, advertisement, etc. So we have studied primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Last video was about primary, and this video is about secondary industry and tertiary industry. Thank you so much.